Oh, all right. Craft room, almost all done. Right. I have to fill my shelves. The closet, we still have to finish that through. And then this is the other wall. It's the whole room. And we haven't done the other room yet. Hi everybody, I think I'm about done and I will just shoot this video and call it a day on the craft room. We'll be adding a few more little bits here and there, like my desk and a few little shelves here and there. But yes, the walls are now a pretty lilac-y color. This was a painting I made to match the one in the other room, except it's the opposite. And of course my schedule. Then I have bookshelves, so like I have all my stamps on there, alphabetical, and then some junk stuff underneath, supplies, and some ribbon down at the bottom. I still have my ribbon racks upstairs. Then I have all my stamps in family colors, and like some blocks and glue and different paints there. And then below that I have all my punches. Then I have my paper for my printer, which is underneath my big table here. Then I have all my colored paper, cardstock, and this is where I actually do my filming when I'm making cards. So let me go around here. Yeah, that's my tall IKEA desk. But I need a regular desk. So then I have these shelves here, and I have some 12 by 12 papers stacked in there, and my blends, and over here I have all my paper pumpkin stuff and a few other little bits and bobs, envelopes, and 6 by 6 DSP in the red bins. And in this other red bin, it's just all neutral colors like whites and blacks and stuff, scraps. So I just pick from that when I need my whites and stuff. Those shelves have to go up probably in the next, like the closet room. Oh, there's my window. My curtains. Woohoo. Then we're going in what used to be the closet, but it's now just a walk-through. So I guess I could put the light on. So right here I have in the shutters, I have my embossing folders. And then I have a pegboard that I haven't really got anything on yet. Let's go over this way still. All right, and I got my mats for my scan and cut. And then over in these shutters, I've got all my dies, all my die cuts. And then if I turn around on the other side of the wall, I just have some wreaths up here that I've made. Let me see if I can get a front view of any of them. All right, so I've got a few wreaths. I'm going to do a craft sale on Saturday. Then here I have just some more shelves in here. And this is for my class on Saturday. I've got my stuff already there for the class. And this is where I just keep all my embossing stuff. My heat gun and powders and that kind of stuff. That's about it for the closet. Then you come into the classroom from the closet. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy. So on this shelf I just have some goodies, some little things I've made or whatever, or have been given to me. Like I made the home sign, I've made the little plant pots and the cards. I made the purple pumpkin that I won as a raffle prize. Then on this shelf I've just got a few things I like my London bus and a vase I made. Then another vase and some cards, and that's some cleaning stuff on the next shelf. Then over here, these are just like I have all my paper for my tables for the classes right here, like all your grid papers, and then I have some catalogs and folders. These are kits that are either old or need to be completed. Some cleaning stuff and some masks. And up there I made that and haven't decided what I'm doing with that yet. And that is actually an I love you hand sign language from a book, and that one's a heart. And I made those 3 books there, Florida State Seminoles, and that is a candle that I covered with ribbon. Then I have my little wreath up there, another curtain. I've still got to adjust that one. Let me step back again. I'll go over the other end in a minute. I still have my chair and my laptop in this room. So there is my one picture up there. I'm going to put the second one over on the other side of that wall. And I have do something creative every day in white vinyl on that wall. These are just my tables for my class I have on Saturday. I got 10 people coming, so I've got that set up for them already. Almost. Not all the way. Out of the glare. It's just a charger plate, and it says, "Who cares? You're on crafting time," and all the numbers are at the bottom. And these walls in here are gray and teal. My accents are teal. That's just my card with my projects for Saturday already. So I'm making that one card and that one card there too, and the stuff from the other basket in the other room. I won't go up close, but open them, and my little trash bin, my purse, and I think that's about it. So that is both my craft rooms all done and ready for business. It was a long time coming with Brian's surgeries. I had a lot of help from my sons and friends and myself. I didn't realize I could do so much. Now I know how to swing a hammer, that's for sure, and how to paint. But on these are going to go up on my other wall. I haven't got them. They're going in the other room. Of course, they don't go in this room. This is the lilac room, and these are teal. So they're just more shutters, and I've got white and gray vinyl I'm putting on them. So they're going in the next room. I'm not finished with them. I still have a few to do on both. Well, totally on the left, I haven't done that at all. I've got all the letters there. And then on the right, I've got that one. That's it. Thank you for taking a tour of my craft room with me. And I hope I didn't make you dizzy. And yeah, that's basically it. Thank you. Bye.